In this video, I'll show you how to change the user role in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the drop-down for your organization. Now, below your organization, you want to head over to the second option, which is Settings. Now, once you are on the Settings page, head over to the General section. And down below, you want to click on the second option, which is Users. Now, once you click on the user section, it will show you all of your users, including yourself. And in order for you to change their role, simply hover your mouse onto the user in which you want to change the role. Let's say we want to change the role of Carly. On the right hand side, simply click on the three dots for more actions on that user. And at the bottom, simply click on Change Permissions. Now, once you do that, it will take you to the overview of the user. And from here, you can start choosing three types of permissions. The first permission is a project. So in here, you can set the access to be limited, standard, or become an admin for the project section. You also have the payroll admin. In here, you can allow them to have full payroll access, including your payroll, your pay runs, your payroll reports. At the bottom, you can also make them to be an accountant. And if you click on the checkbox for business and accounting, in here, you will have a few options, one for invoice access, standard, advisor, as well as read only. And at the bottom, you will also show each and every access in which you can turn on and turn off. And once you are satisfied with the permissions in which you have added, at the bottom, you can also add the available apps for your business. And once you're ready to update the permissions, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on the blue button to update the permissions. Once you do that, as you can see, our user now has access to the standard permissions. They are a payroll admin as well as a projects admin. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.